Project versus program management. Key differences. Project. A project is a set of tasks or collection of activities that conclusively contributes to the production of a product with respect to the goals and objectives set before the beginning of the project. To be able to successfully achieve the set goals, these tasks must be performed in a specific order. Program. A program is a set of projects that will be executed in order to serve and achieve the collective goal of an organization with respect to the set strategies for achievements. A program for an organization serves as an important asset that helps achieve the goals of the organization on a most efficient scale by effectively distributing the available resources among every individual project.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Project versus program management. Project management. In general, project management is a process or technique used to manage all the project tasks and activities for successful execution and to meet all the necessary project requirements. A number of tools and techniques are used to make this possible on a countable scale, and a project manager is held responsible for the success of the project. Program management. In simple terms, program management is a methodology of mapping that is used to improve an organization's performance and build global recognition by obtaining complete benefits from its projects. The governing body of project management, PMI, Project Management Institute, describes program management as a management team coordinating all related projects of an organization and always seeking to obtain benefits from the organization's projects. Number 1. Project versus program management process. Project management is a temporary process. Any project, irrespective of its type, would definitely end with deliverables. Since project management is all about managing project activities and seeing them through to completion, the project ends as the deliverables are delivered. Hence, project management is said to be a temporary process. Program management is an ongoing process. On the other hand, for a program, the objective is to deliver high-level functionality, a service, or a high-quality product, depending on the level of competition among other organizations. Since this is something that is to be taken care of at every instance of the company's growth, program management is an ongoing process. Be it a product or a service, project management only focuses on the project outcomes as a deliverable, with the main objective being to deliver the outcome within the estimated time while fulfilling all the requirements within the set conditions. All the project manager's tasks are technical. Number 2. Project versus program management method. Project management is technical. Be it a product or a service, project management only focuses on the project outcomes as a deliverable, with the main objective being to deliver the outcome within the estimated time while fulfilling all the requirements within the set conditions. All the project manager's tasks are technical. Program management is strategic. The role of every program manager is to strategize the organization's growth and take responsibility for the development of all underlying projects. This also involves controlling and negotiating with the stakeholders about the objectives of a project being delivered or yet to be delivered. Number 3. Project versus program management resources. Projects focus on time and budget. As obvious as it is, projects are meant to be submitted on time. The primary goal of project management is to complete it within a specified time frame and within the constraints of the available resources. The application of the project deliverables to the company's success and growth is not the worry of a project manager. Program focus on company's ROI. Being a program manager, it becomes their complete responsibility to take care of and analyze what values the deliverables bring to the organization. The analysis must also investigate how the investments will generate returns. Hence, Creating ROI and generating customer value becomes one of the responsible assets that every program manager must take care of. Number 4. Project versus Program Management. Management. Project management handles conflicts. The most common thing that differentiates project and program management is the difference in skills required for their duties. The conflicts that come with each undertaking are different to some extent. Projects must necessarily deal with such risks because they always result in something new. Project managers work on forecasting conflicts, making plans for how to deal with them, and allocating a set budget for risk. Program management handles changes. Things in program management are different compared to the management duties of project management. Rather than worry about the project risks, program managers would rather plan on working on the changes that the project deliverables bring for the organization. Involving the coordinated functioning of projects, customers, government organizations, and the board of stakeholders makes this a more complicated task.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.